Hi, this is Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'm going to take you around this Mazda MX5. Clearly not a Mini, but the other cars we have are, and we took this Mazda in part exchange for one of our Minis. Now, this is such a nice car, such a lovely example of the Mazda, we decided to sell it ourselves. Let me show you around. It's hard to credit that this is a 15-year-old car. It's in such good condition. Bodywork is nigh on immaculate. I can't find any rust, and the car is just a joy to behold, really. I mean, look at it, it's a fantastic condition. It's got 10 service stamps from Mazda and then Mazda, Mazda Specialist, 67,000 miles from new, and just look at it, it's lovely. The paintwork is unmarked on the bonnet, around the bumper. Wheels are in good condition, good tyre tread. No dinks down this side. I think that might be stone chip on the back of the mirror there. Very nice wheel at the back. Actually, it's a bit dirty, but wheel is unmarked. Good tread. Around the back of the car, again, the bumper is unmarked. Boots in excellent condition. They come down this side, great tread on that tyre. I think there might be some very minor curbing. No, it's just dirt on that wheel. And then along this side, we do indeed have a car park bruise. Nothing fantastically bad, but that's it, I think, body-wise. And then coming back around to the front, a good wheel, good tyre, and there she is. 15 years old, eh? Coming into the car, you can see that the seats are untorn. They are in very good condition. The entire interior is very good condition. We have a wind deflector back here, which is, well, it's a bit pathetic really, isn't it? But I think it does the job. The hood is unmarked, so this is a quick release hood. I think it takes 3 seconds to fold down and bring back up, and then clip it from the inside. I'll just do that now. To clip the hood back into place is simply like that. To release it, you press this button here and then fold it back. So I'll leave it up. Let's have a look at the outside. You see the hood is in good condition. There's no rips, no tears, no sagging. All together in excellent condition. So, as is the rest of the car. Let's start her up, let's see how she sounds. So, this is a 1.8 injection engine. On the button there. As of today, the car has done 67,112 miles. Put the side lights on so we can see some backlighting. Oil pressure's good. Just, it's all good really. Look under the bonnet. I mean, it's a bit dusty, but nothing remarkable. It's all tidy, and it's all, like I say, very well maintained. So, good at springs, smooth. There you go. Open the boot. It's not a massive boot, but there you go, it's all pretty good. Just demonstrates the car has been well looked after, it hasn't been abused in its 15 years of life. The view from the cockpit, now I'm 6'2", and it is a bit tight in here for me, but not impossible. We have steering wheel controls for the stereo here, and the stereo itself is pretty standard. The heater controls are down here, this is all for the stereo. Yeah, what else to say? Not a lot really. Nice piano black finish here, glove box, and under here we have some coffee cup holders. These are the electric windows. Everything works, no known faults. Very nice car indeed. So there you are then. In summary, we have a 2007 07 plate Mazda MX5. It's got 10 stamps in the book, all from main dealers or a Mazda Specialist. 67,000 miles as of today. Fantastic condition. Come along, have a look, drive it, see if you like it. I think you will. Thanks for watching.